In this video, I'm going to show you how to install glow-in-the-dark embers in your Versa58 V-scale slots. These slots in the scales provide grip for your thumb when you're using them with the mag mount system. It makes it a lot easier to fidget with, but if you add embers to it, it does the same thing. It's just that instead of being recessed, you've got raised bumps on here now, and that gives you the same kind of control with your thumb. I prefer it with the embers. It feels a little bit better and it gives you even more grip. Also, the embers look really cool when they're glowing in the dark. To install the embers, we're just going to use some rubbing alcohol, a microfiber cloth, some super glue. You can use any type of super glue, some tweezers, and your embers with the V-scale. So I'm just going to spray out these slots, wipe it down. You want to make sure this is really dry. Let it dry for a few minutes. If you look at the embers closely, you can see that there's a concave side that's shiny, and then there's a flat side that's a little more dull. I like to put the flat side up and the concave side down. That pocket gives the glue somewhere to go, somewhere to bond. So I'm gonna put the glue on this side. I'm just going to put a little bit of alcohol on there, make sure it's clean, let it dry, and then I can install it. Now we don't need too much glue. I'm just gonna put a little bead of glue in each one of these slots. If you put too much, it'll gush out and it'll look really ugly when you install the ember. So now I'm just gonna grab one of these, make sure the concave side is down, and just drop it in. Put a little bit of pressure on. And that's it. Your embers are now good to glow.